Hey guys, welcome back. So we leave for Disney in exactly 12 hours. It is currently 9 a.m. and we're planning on leaving for Disney tonight at 9 p.m. This is going to be prepping and packing road trip edition from New York City down to Orlando. The last couple of weeks have been absolutely insane. We had so much going on and unfortunately just time got away and I wasn't able to prep and pack and do anything because typically I'm at least 2 to 3 weeks out. I already started packing and prepping and recording some of these videos, but this time around, no. So let me fill you in quickly. So been having some issues with my car. Hopefully now everything is done, but I felt like we were at the mechanic every single week. Last week my cornea was inflamed and I was like, uh-oh, this doesn't feel good. So I went to the doctor. He gave me eye drops, steroids, and antibiotics. Wasn't doing anything. Went back because I'm like, sir, doctor, dearest. So he gave me additional oral medication. Anyway, my car has given me a little bit of trouble. I just feel safer renting a car. So we're gonna be picking up the car today. My to-do list is from here to here. A huge list of things to do. Aside from all of this, I need to clean this house. So when we come back, it's nice and clean. So we're gonna go pick up the car. Gotta go to the bank, gotta drop off the dog with the babysitter, have to buy the last of food and veggies, go do my eyebrows. I haven't done them because of my inflamed cornea. I just wanted my eye to heal and not be pulled in different directions because I do threading. To go to a post office, I need to mail a box. Kids come home, we have to go for haircut. We need to activate a magic band for one of our family members because on this road trip it's me, my kids, and one of our family. We're hoping to leave sometime maybe like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, but unfortunately our family member who is coming with us on this trip wasn't able to leave work early. So by the time everything is going to take place, it's going to be around 9 o'clock in the evening when we're actually going to be ready to hit the road. So I don't have hotels booked. I don't know how far we're gonna make it, but I definitely don't want to drive through the night. Thinking maybe we're gonna do 4 hours and get a hotel and sleep the night and then the next day drive all the way. And I know some of you might say like, oh my gosh, just stay home, get up early. I get it, but if we can get 3 or 4 hours out of the way, I feel better about that. The kids want to stop by at the most sketchiest place on earth, which is called south of the border. Last road trip to Disney, which was like 2 summers ago, I can link the video here or down below. We went to Buc-ee's. I think they just freshly opened at that point in time. I don't know, I could be wrong, but the kids loved it. So anyways, my train of thought, leave tonight, get a few hours in, sleep, wake up very early tomorrow, probably like 5 o'clock in the morning, and just hit the road. Give you a quick overview of our trip. We're going for 4 nights. We're going to a Christmas party, we're going to Animal Kingdom, we're going to Epcot. It was actually supposed to take place in September, but they had hurricanes and I just went with my gut feeling and I said, you know what, I don't want to get stuck in delays. Kids are back in school. Like, what if we can't get a flight in or out? Because that was also going to be a very short trip. And I said, you know what, we're just going to postpone it and see where we could fit it in. And I didn't find very good flights, but that's okay. We're driving. It's going to be an adventure and I'm so excited. But anyways, this has been like the longest intro. Let's get this dog outside and let's go pick up this car. We'll start checking things off the list. All right, it is currently 10:10. We picked up our car. It's a nice Ford Explorer. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty roomy. I actually was really hoping that we were gonna get this car because I really wanted to try it out. But it's good. It smells nice, nice and clean. All these gadgets here, but of course I'm gonna dust everything one more time and just sanitize it and just pack everything we need. Really happy with the car. I was really hoping that we're gonna get this one, but anyways, I'm right here by the bank, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And it's 2 more things we're checking off our list, and then I gotta go home, get my dog, and drop him at the sitter. Okay, so it is currently 1:20. Time is just running. The doggy has been delivered to the sitter, so hopefully everything's gonna be good. I'm now at the post office. It took a little time to drop him off, come back. I had to change my pants because I was covered in dog hair. And then I had to put together a parcel that I have to send out. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it off. I think I'm gonna just stop by Old Navy and see if I can find anything, maybe like a wintry dress that I could wear, because if you know me, you know that I love wearing dresses to Disney. And then I don't think I'm going to be able to do a Costco run, so I'm just going to go to my local Stop and Shop and just pick up whatever I need there. And then soon after, the boys are going to be home and it's time for haircuts. So let's get this box mailed. I really wanted to get it out before I leave. We do a Harry Potter box swap every year, and this one is Yule Ball, and I can link some of them over here if you want to see. So it's like coming close to me shipping it out, and I was like, you know what, I just want to get it out before I leave, so that way there's no delays, because then it's Thanksgiving and things just get crazy. So anyways, it's crunch time. It's 8 o'clock. We leave in 1 hour. Everything that I'm taking for the trip is here, so I'm gonna quickly show you everything that I have packed. It's not too much. I don't think I'm overpacking, though maybe I'm taking a few extra things. I have my groceries over there, and then we're just gonna go ahead and take it to the car and we should be good to go. I'm kind of getting nervous because, oh my God, there was just so much to do today, so much back and forth everywhere, and yeah, I'm so tired. I'm just ready to be in the car, know that I have everything. Okay, so Aiden again packed for himself, so this is pretty much just me and my little guy. To be honest, I didn't buy anything new for myself for this trip. I took things that I already had in my closet. I have a Christmas oversized tee, my favorite dresses, 1, 2, 3. I have a shirt and like a cardigan, like a Christmassy cardigan. Here I have my pajamas, undergarments, socks, bathing suit. Here I just have another, just like a regular t-shirt and a long sleeve. These are the hats that I purchased for the kids on Shop Disney or whatever it's called these days. I don't know. My little one wanted to make sure that I take these books for him. I'm not sure if we're gonna have time for the pool, but 2 swimsuits for the boys. Mine is here. I did get these holiday t-shirts from Five Below for Andrew and Aiden, so we'll see. For my little guy, honestly, I'm not overpacking. I have 2 sweatpants. I mean, it is pretty chilly here, so I just want him to be comfortable. This is going to be his outfit tomorrow out of the hotel if we end up stopping overnight. And then it's pretty much t-shirt, shorts, t-shirt, shorts, and then just 2 extra shorts and a buddy t-shirt, and this one is Mickey. And then if it gets cold at night, of course I can swap him out into sweatpants. Here are his pajamas, undergarments, socks, and so on. We don't need it, but I'm taking, our passports are here. I have my Disney jewelry here, and my friend gifted me these. I don't know if it's gonna focus, so I want to take that. She also gave me this, so I'm thinking I might put him on my fanny pack. I got my magic band. Mine is very plain. The boys' magic bands are charging. This is the magic band stopper, so if you don't want to lose the magic band, from Amazon. This is my fanny pack. Love it. I think I got it for the cruise. It is incredible, so comfortable. I will link it down below for you guys. I'm not affiliate with Amazon, just sharing. This is my very old Kaplan Little Mermaid bag. This is my park bag, so I take it with me. I gave it a good wash this year, so I think I'm gonna leave it in my owner's locker in Disney. Here is just a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna fill these pouches with some of these things, but sanitizing wipes, we have ponchos. I have an owner's locker, so I'm gonna leave some of these things there. We have prescription medication. I know pneumonia is going around. I'm coming prepared. We got a Butyl, we got a steroid pack, nasal spray. I got my migraine medication. We have an albuterol pump, sanitizing mist, allergy medication, Excedrin razor, shampoo, toothpaste. This is gonna be for the kids. They're gonna use it in the car. Love these makeup remover things. This is just for my little guy. I bought some Disney gift cards, a little body spray mist. I can't remember if I have my fan there. I feel like I do, but maybe I don't, so I'm just gonna bring one. I think this is an extra jewelry box, but we're gonna leave it behind. Here I have all of my cords for my camera, not for my camera. I have camera battery, but I have all of the chargers and cords like that. We have our Polaroid camera. So my little guy is gonna take his sneakers just in case. I don't know if it gets cold or it's wet and rainy. I'm taking these. I also feel like I left a few pairs of shoes in my owner's locker, so I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm gonna take these, probably just, I wanted to say fly, drive in my Converse. This thing I bought, I think when we went on our last car trip, so the boys will probably put snacks in there. I got the bubble one for my little one. It is adorable. Does he still work? He doesn't work. Oh no, we need batteries. Boo. I got these from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna decorate our window. We're staying at All Star Movies. I got the hooks, got the batteries. Our family member needs a magic band, need to activate this, connect it. Taking these ears, and these are just little lights. I don't know, probably gonna decorate the window. And taking some detergent. I'm also going to leave it there. I think that's it for this side. Okay, again, nothing crazy. Listen, my kids still love this. I'm getting some clementines, halos, whatever you call them. These giant pretzels from Trader Joe's, bananas, some organic gummies, my favorite tea, which I'm gonna leave there. Then we have Kinder, if you know, you know. Some Pez, more Kinder, and then cookies for the boys. Earlier when I went to get all of this, I already got the, what did I get? The soda, the water, so everything is there. So I'm just gonna take some cooler bags and pack everything up. Okay, I just quickly wanted to show you how we have everything here. Got all the water, snacks, veggies, more snacks and veggies, drinks, Aiden's suitcase, my suitcase. That's a blankie. So here it is. I don't know, they're probably gonna end up putting it down. All their snacks. And we are ready to rock and roll. Oh my god, I'm so excited and nervous at the same time. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for coming on this chaotic 12-hour pack and prep and do a million things before our Disney road trip. I hope you come along. I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely follow us at Happy Travel Vlogs. I post there in real time as much as I can. And thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.